Today I draw Oreki Houtaro. Draw 2 arcs on the upper eyelashes to form a combination. Draw an arc on the lower eyelashes. Draw a circle along. Leave a small circle on the left. Penghu is still round inside. The distance in the middle is basically to the left. Eyes as wide. Be sure to note that the 2 eyes are bigger near and smaller at the far. The highlight shape inside the eyes is also drawn. His nose is just 2 lines. Don't draw the tip of the nose. The mouth is also an arc and a small dot. Then define the tip of the chin. Start with the cheeks. You must pay attention to the position of the cheek circle. And then started drawing his brain. Not the forehead. Start with bangs. Bangs are all in different sizes. A combination of gold tips of different lengths. Then put its eyelashes. Double eyelids and eyebrows are decorated as follows. The hair around the ears is thinner. You must pay more attention when painting. Then we started to determine the size of his head. The surrounding hair strands began to gradually become clearer. Be sure to pay attention to the brain itself. He is round. Next, start drawing the collar part. Circle the collar around the neck. Just draw some hearts. Don't draw too deliberately. As long as it's enough to see, I'll like it. Then we add a little music. Start arranging threads and coloring for him.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control